staying, the precip is staying away at the stage. Unfortunately, it might get gusted out. See that?
Oh, yes.
You got it on the ground?
Got it on the ground. It's starting to get out of my reach.
Magnificent. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Look at that rotation. Elephant trunk. Yeah. Rope out. It's roping out. You can actually see a vortex in there. Here comes the RF.
There we go, it's roping out, but still...
Yes, it is on the ground still.
Yep, tornado's still on the ground.
This is the best rope out I've seen. Oh, look at that.
That is an awesome rope out. Look at the contrast we've got. Look at the dust sheath in the middle.
I'll zoom in. Are you zooming in?
No, I can't. You zoom in on yours.
Okay.
This camera doesn't like being zoomed.
You get the rope out then. I'll
Hey,
get...
that's getting...
There we go, it's roping out, but still...
Yes, it is.